We talk about safety all the time, but the brain actually has a very specific definition of it, and you'll want to learn this. It's going to help a lot. So safety it's not reassurance, it's not positive thinking, it's not like a logic. The nervous system, particularly that limbic brain, safety is predictability without threat. And threat is bodily harm in less than a minute. Is it happening? So your brain is constantly asking one question: did what I expect happen or not? When the answer is yes and nothing bad follows, then the nervous system relaxes. It goes into regulation. And this is called prediction error learning. And it's how the brain updates old patterns. If your body expects danger and it doesn't experience it, then the brain gradually recalibrates. And remember, expecting danger is actually our stress response, right? Being under stress all the time. That's why safety is learned through repetition, through sensory experience, sensory feedback, staying present during mild discomfort without collapse, without dissociation, distraction. It's not through forcing calm, and it's not through pushing past your limits or ignoring them. This is also why some people feel worse when they try to relax. Their nervous system doesn't trust the sudden stillness yet. It's like, wait a minute, where's the bear? And that's also why people have a hard time just like sitting and meditating. So safety is built in small, tolerable doses. When the brain receives consistent feedback that, like, I expected danger and nothing bad happened, it begins to loosen its grip. And it's also helpful if our self-talk reflects that. But it's important to understand it's not willpower, and it's not just like, learning. It's about a repetition of an experience that we can reinforce. So once you understand how safety is actually encoded, you can stop sort of chasing the calm and start creating conditions for the brain to find it on its own. So really important to remember being able to come into the present, tolerate the felt experience in your body, breathe through it, and remind yourself, this is the brain learning safety. It's learning something really important. So if you have any thoughts to share, please leave them in the comments. We love to build community.